Silvair, our vision is simple, that every building should be sustainable. Well, we do our part by providing a lighting control technology that enables vast energy efficiency improvements from the lighting system. Retrofitting with LED lighting and network lighting controls is an easy and cost-effective way to create a more sustainable facility. But how we do this is really unique in the industry. We work through partners providing software that ensures wired-like performance from a wireless network lighting control system. We also provide applications that generate energy use insights that building owners can use to better manage a facility. An example of one of these applications is our energy dashboard, which provides a comparison of before and after retrofit energy usage, as well as the associated cost of energy and projected cost savings. This not only validates savings prior to the retrofit, but provides monitoring of ongoing energy changes over time. A facility manager can also make control strategy changes, use those same monitoring tools to measure the impact. Working with Linmore LED and Irvine BMW is a great example of how together we can deliver a more sustainable future.